Alright guys, I'm back. You already know the vibes. I'm on the road again. So today is Wednesday. So I looked on the Long Island menu. For Wednesday, I pick King Kullen. Basically, I guess that's the place, King Kullen. I guess they having a car meet there. So ETA wasn't bad. ETA was like 35 minutes. So I said, why not? The weather's still holding up. It's supposed to rain later. So I said, why not? So let's see what King Kullen car meet is about. I think it's on Jericho Turnpike. So there's a little bit of traffic. It's actually a hot day today, people. Right now it's actually saying 84, but I don't know if this is correct, because sometimes the temperature gets stuck in this joint. I would have to re-look at my damn phone. Let me see. My phone says saying 89 actually. So that's why I said 84. Sometimes this thing gets stuck. So I think that's what it was in the garage or something like that. So it kind of got stuck. So I actually want to maybe shut it down and start it back up again. Then it'll correct itself with the temperature. But it's saying 84, which I know is not 84. It got to be higher than that. And I see some clouds, but I don't think that's really gonna. It's not all over the place. Some clouds is kind of like spotty, like in a one direction. But we about to pass that anyway. So all right, yeah. So we gonna see what this car meet is about. And I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. My ETA is 23 minutes. And let's see what they got to offer over here. And let's see who came outside, because the whole week is gonna rain. So the whole week, like, I don't understand this spring. This spring is just like crazy. Like, it's gonna rain. They saying Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Like, it's just gonna rain. Like, yo, we got lucky this weekend. Like, people, we got lucky Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because the other weekends didn't rain. So we actually got real lucky last weekend. So I guess we're paying for it. So I guess we paying for it. So. And they still ain't fixed all these bumps and potholes. Like, I don't get that. So, I don't know. So, whatever. Alright, guys. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, guys. I had to reroute back because the navigation was going crazy with traffic just trying to get here. So, the time frame is just bad. So, I just decided to turn back, because the little traffic was crazy. So I'm on my way back. I'm outside. Outside is still pretty holding up. It look like it want to rain soon, but I don't know. See, the sun's still peeking out. So all right, King Kullen, I gotta catch you on the next one. Gotta maybe catch you on the next one if I put that into the menu again, because next week, Wednesday, I am trying to maybe do Bear Mountain. Bear Mountain was canceled today. The state canceled Bear Mountain, so I'm definitely trying to see how next Wednesday look, if the weather hold up. But you know what, guys? I'm not even mad, because that gives me time to actually play catch up. So I'm playing catch up is I have to I gotta install the brakes and rotors on Renzel. So I'm actually gonna do that this week. I am gonna look into ordering the part for the charger, the crankshaft damper. So I was doing some research on videos and stuff like that. So the ATI versus the OEM. So gotta make sure I look at my navigation. So I maybe go with ATI. The only thing with the ATI I call Summit. Spoke to the tech, right? So basically they're telling me that I have to do a measurement on the belt. Alright, what is this car doing? Like, what are y'all doing? Like, we're not even gonna do that. Do what y'all need to do. Hold on, guys. Nope. So they was telling me I may have to do a measurement on the belt, right? to make sure that it fit, because something with the crank, the pulley is like a little bit different than the stock one. So, but just doing my research online, I was told that the OEM should fit. So I don't know. So I'm gonna still do a little bit of research on that. But I found a good video basically showing me what I should do, tools I should get. I did a pulley job before, but it's just, it is what it is. So I like that color. Ooh, that baby blue, that's like a Tiffany blue. Just imagine Renzel was that color. That's a good, I never seen a truck that color. I wonder what color's the interior. But yeah, as I was saying, so found a good video, very good video. So I will be doing, that's the next job I gotta do on the charger. So I'll be doing it myself. I won't be taking it nowhere because shop told me 600 plus for labor. Dealer told me 1,200. So I'm gonna just do my homework and knock it out myself. So, all right, so I'm gonna tap back in with y'all again. Let me try to, hold on, I'm trying to find the highway. This thing is, I think the highway, let's see, yep, the highway's right here, actually. And it looks like it's about to rain, because it's starting to drizzle. So, the weather held up a little bit, starting to rain, and look at that traffic. That's what I'm telling y'all. Y'all see this traffic? Ooh. That's what I'm telling y'all. Like, this traffic is like OD. Just because it's warm outside is basically OD. So we are going to get into the party of traffic. Figure it out. So I'm gonna, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna basically break down, start doing the rotors. After I do that, then I am going to start working on the Toyota. And then any little, just clean up the vehicles after that, hopefully. And then I got to order the part for the charger. So the charger, I don't know when that part will come. So when they come, I'll start, assessing that. So, but other than that, that's it, man. Try to go to King Kullen, as I said, with the traffic and everything going on, and then work out. So whatever. I'm just gonna breeze back. The temperature is going down. It's 85 degrees, but it's still like a little humid. I think tomorrow's gonna be a little bit cooler, and the week is just a whole washout. So it is what it is. Look at them back end videos. Sunday I did 3. Saturday I did 3. What was the best one for me? What was the best one for me, actually? I really don't know. Every one of them was different. So every one of them was different videos, and different. It was like different moods. So y'all be the pick of that one. It was different, but it was hot. It was definitely hot. So all right, but other than that, I guess I will now. I'll tap back in with y'all when I get to a more closer destination. Right now, it's just a bunch of traffic, people, as y'all can see. So navigation is lit up red. The traffic is like crazy. So all right, I'll tap back in with y'all. Alright guys, I'm back, and what's coming down? The rain. So as I said, the Wednesday car cruise wasn't meant to be. That's why a lot of things was canceled because of the rain. Again, I don't know where's this rain coming from? Like, somebody tell me, where is this rain coming from? So it's about to start raining, so it's but it was a wrap anyway. So I don't know, sometimes I just don't follow my instincts because I wasn't going to go, but I just say, you know what, let me try, because I know the whole week was gonna rain. So this is not good. This is not good. So I'm about to just go get some green plantains, something to eat, and I guess just look at some video for the work I gotta get done on Renzel. So I had to actually put back on the AC. So had to do that. So I'm excited to actually, just put these rotors on. I still got it in the back, sitting back there, actually, and I think I'm missing a screw. Some rotors come with screws, so I think it's actually missing a screw. So I gotta look into that. I mean, it wasn't there before because whatever reason. It's just basically something like a guide screw, which I really don't 100% need it, but but it's a little costly too, so I gotta see, because at one point I seen it was like $15 a screw, and I'm like, $15 a screw, like, how many screws I need? Like, nah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I like that Audi though. That Audi look cool as hell. So yeah, we're gonna take it from there. So alright, I'm not even gonna make this a super long video, so I try to touch down. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Look at the back end. Y'all already know what I got going on. Basically for the week, hopefully I'll get this work done, and we can see what we got going on. Hopefully, maybe we can actually really now do this test tow and just get this summer started. Like, and after this rain, this rain is like super crazy. I don't know what's going on. So, and hopefully they can fix all the potholes. That's another thing I'm waiting for. Like, fix the Northern State Parkway, the Grand Central. Somebody that's listening, tell somebody to fix it, smoothing it out. Like, I need to take the box Chevy out, free the box Chevy, free the Scat Pack. Renzel is up next. Renzel is outside. So, y'all already know the vibe. All right, other than that, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like for Micah. Let's catch you on the next video.